Hello students, this is Mr. Asif Khan, your science teacher. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, in yesterday's grade, in that first grade, I was taught you your first lesson. What is the name of this lesson? Can you tell me? This is living things and non-living things. In which the first grade I taught you introductory part of this lesson. Living things and non-living things, identification of these and 7 features. That is, number 1 is living things grow, living things need food and water. Third one is living things feel and react. Fourth one is living things breathe. Fifth one is living things move. Sixth one is living things reproduce. And the last one is living things grow older and die. And the second one grade I was taught you. We was take one activities there. What is this? Differentiate the living things and non-living things in that given picture. And in that third grade, I was taught you hard words of this lesson, living things and non-living things. I taught you some hard words. Now today's I want to teach you features of living things. Features of living things. Let us now study the features of living things which may different from non-living things. What is this? These are, number 1 feature is living things grow. Second one, living things need food and water. Third one, living things feel and react. Number 4, living things breathe. Number 5, living things move. Number 6, living things reproduce. And the last one is living things grow older and die. Out of which today's I teach you only 2 features. Number 1 is living things grow and number 2 is living things need food and water. So students, let's start. Focus on my words. What I say. Number 1 feature is living things grow. All living things grow. All living things grow. A teeny seeds grow into a baby plants. A teeny seeds, a small seeds grow into a baby plants, and after some times these baby plants grow into a big plant or tree. That teeny seed is converted into old or big tree. That means what happened in that? Growth is there. Because of growth, these teeny seeds are converted into big tree. Now, the second one example is the baby animal grow into a big animal. The baby animal grow into a big animals. Puppy grow into a dog. Kitten grow into a cat. Okay. Got it everyone? Yes. Okay. The growth, all living things grow in their size and in their shape. There is increment in their size and shape. Growth means बढ़ोतरी होना. बढ़ना, इंक्रीमेंट होना साइज एंड शेप में, इंक्रीजिंग साइज एंड शेप. Next one example is a human baby grows into an adult and then to an old person. A human baby grow into an adult and after a few years a older man and died. These all are examples of the growth. But you have seen the non-living things do not grow. Non-livings do not grow. There is no increasing in their size and shape. This growth features shown by only living things, not non-living things. The next one features of living things is, what is this? These are living things need food and water. Living things need food and water. Can we live without water or food? Can we live? All living things need food and water. Most plants make their own food from water, air and sunlight. Most of the plants make their own food. And animals and humans are dependent on the plant and animals to live. Animals get their food from plants and other animals. Do you know that non-living things do not need food and water? Only living things are need food and water. Non-living things do not need food and water. I will revise once again these two features. Focus on my word, what I say. The first one features of living things is, living things grow. That means increasing in shape and size. And non-living things do not grow. The second one feature is, what is this? Living things need food and water. And non-living things do not need food and water. Got it? I hope you all have understood that these two features are living things. Okay? If you have any queries, then ask me. Thank you.